Now, if I wanted to have a function that says, that tells me what fruit I have, I'm going to pass it a dictionary as an argument, and I'm going to say for key value in D items. Okay, so this items method returns all of these as a list, or it returns them and puts them into key and value. So it'll iterate through each one of them one at a time. Okay, so now I'm going to print key and I'm going to print value. I'm going to say price. Okay, so now if I call that function listFruit and I pass it my database, now it will print those. Okay, so this is bothering me right here. We don't want to have these not lined up. So let's do a slightly better job here. I'm going to say key. Let's make sure it's a string. Just put it in a string function. And then I'm going to left justify that in a group of 7. And I'm going to use the period to separate them. And before that, I'm going to put a $sign. Okay, so now I'm coming to this one. I'm going to add that. I'm not going to do the colon anymore. I'm going to say make sure that's a string so I don't have any possibilities of errors. And now I'm going to rjust in a line of 10 with periods. So now when I list my fruit, oh man, I put my $sign in the wrong place. What am I doing? X. There we go. Doesn't that look nice? Look how pretty that is. It's all lined up. And even if, brace yourself, shoppers of fruit, even if I had one that was in the double digits, like it was like a dragon fruit or something special, look at, no matter how many digits are leading this, it's always going to line up and be pretty, which is just so satisfying for me. Sorry. It's the little things, people. All right, so I have now a way to list the fruit. Black box works perfectly. Very happy about that.